Hi, George Merley here at Footwork. From this coming Monday the 4th of March, you will be able to order Joey's via the Footwork Prescription Portal. This coincides with the release of Footwork's new and expanded range of 3D printed Joeys. And I'm pleased to announce that the Joey Junior and Joey Original Plus are now ready to order via the portal. Some of the new styles, including the Joey Support Lateral, Plantar Heel Pain and Joey Caught Hook, will be released soon. The new range of 3D printed Joeys can be ordered in 2, 3 and 4mm thicknesses, which we've classified as Ultra Flex, Flex and Rigid respectively. The Joey Junior is only available in 1mm thickness and in lengths ranging from 90 to 110mm taken from the heel to the base of the second MTPJ. These sizes are suitable for toddlers through to early primary school aged feet. With the rollout of the portal, it's now essential that you provide a shell length measurement for the Joey prescription. This is done by measuring the distance from the posterior heel to the base of the second MTPJ. The lab is currently preparing samples of the 3D printed Joey range, which will be available soon. If you would like more information about the Joey range or to request samples, please get in touch with the lab at info@footwork.com.au.